Okay. This wasn't supposed to be a rainy ride, but the sky decided it needed to rain again. So yeah. And my dirt bike doesn't want to start right now, so I'll just start moving. And it'll be fine. I actually went and had dinner, but I still got my goggles. It stopped raining, which is good. Alright. Let's go. The dirt bike is wet. I still have a sticky throttle, but that's fine. Whew, my brakes are squeaky. the end of this video. Oof. Yeah, I am regretting putting that in the video while editing this. Oh, shoot. I should probably cut that out of the video.